everyone. Today let us start learning about a new chapter, that is Microorganisms, Friend or Foe. What can you see in this magnifying glass? Yes, microorganisms. Can we just move it and see whether we can see everywhere? Yes, we can see microorganisms everywhere. Let us test it by using certain places, certain samples drawn from the nature. For this, let us do an activity. For the activity, let us go for a tour to a garden. From here, let us collect some soil and take the soil to a beaker and add some water to make it a solution. After the soil settles down, you just take a dropper and collect some drops of water and take it to a glass line. And let us see or watch it on a microscope. What can we see? Again, microorganisms. Let us cross-check. Is it everywhere? For this, let us go for another area, which is a pond. From here, let us collect some water. And let us check this under a microscope. Again, microorganisms. We cannot see these microorganisms with our unaided eyes. Why do you think? We cannot see these microorganisms with our unaided eyes? Because they are so small, tiny organisms. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. They do not have a well-organized nucleus. They are among the simplest organisms found on Earth. Bacteria are of different shapes like rod-shaped bacteria, circular-shaped bacteria, spiral-shaped bacteria, etc. Most of them are useful for the mankind, but some of them causes diseases in people and also in animals. For example, tuberculosis, typhoid, etc. Next is fungi. Fungi are non-green, unicellular as well as multicellular organisms. What do you mean by non-green? They cannot produce their own food. Yeast is a unicellular fungi that are useful for source of food for man and farm animals. Bread mold is a multicellular fungi. Mushrooms are multicellular microscopic fungi that can be eaten raw or cooked. Protozoa are one-celled organisms. They move with the help of pseudopodia or flagella. Amoeba is the simplest and common protozoa. It causes dysentery in human beings. Malaria is caused by a protozoa named Plasmodium. Algae are aquatic photosynthetic organisms which looks like green floating things on the surface of a pond or a lake. Photosynthetic means they can prepare their own food, right? Blue-green algae helps in the process of nitrogen fixing. Viruses are smallest microscopic organisms and they can be seen only under an electron microscope, a special microscope. They are much smaller than bacteria. They lie on the borderline dividing living and non-living things. When they enters a suitable host cell like a plant cell or an animal cell or a bacteria, they start reproducing and multiplying within the host cell. They don't show any characteristics of a living cell when they are outside a living cell. They are peculiar structured organisms which are an outer protein coat and an inner genetic material. You can see here in the picture. Diseases caused by viruses are. So, our first module of this lesson is over. Thank you. And also, if you like this module, please don't forget to like. And also subscribe. When you subscribe, if you click the bell icon, you will get all our new updates.